Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: Maracujá juice, also known as passion fruit juice. But wait, there's more. We'll be revealing some unknown and fascinating facts about this exotic fruit that will blow your mind. So, buckle up and get ready for a juicy adventure. Ah, the maracujá, with its vibrant color and enticing aroma. This fruit is a true tropical delight. But did you know it's not just a delicious juice? It's packed with hidden gems of nutrition and history. Let's start with the origins of maracujá. This fruit is native to South America, particularly the Amazon basin. The name, maracujá, comes from the Tupi-Guarani language, where mara means food, and cuja means in the form of a gourd. Fascinating, right? Beyond making delicious juice, maracujá is used in a wide range of dishes. From desserts and sauces to salad dressings and cocktails, its tangy flavor can enhance any recipe. Maracujá is not only tasty but also a powerhouse of health benefits. It's loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C, A, and potassium. Plus, it's a great source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health. And here's the kicker: it contains serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Beyond its nutritional value, maracujá holds symbolic meanings in some cultures. In Brazil, for instance, it's often associated with passion and love, earning it the name passion fruit in English. We can see why. Brace yourselves for some unconventional uses of maracujá. Did you know that its seeds, when dried and ground, can be used as a seasoning? Yes! They add a unique twist to your culinary adventures. Oh, and don't toss the peels just yet. They can be used as an organic fertilizer for your garden. Now, let's talk about its environmental impact. Maracujá vines are climbers, which means they can grow on trellises or other structures, using less ground space. This makes them a sustainable choice for small-scale farming and reduces the pressure on land resources. Despite its growing popularity, maracujá is still relatively unknown in many parts of the world. But its journey from the rainforests of South America to global recognition is well underway. With its increasing demand, it's essential to balance our consumption with conservation efforts. Sustainable farming practices and protecting the natural habitats where maracujá thrives are crucial steps to preserve this treasure for future generations. Before we conclude, let's raise a glass of this delightful maracujá juice to celebrate the wonders of this exotic fruit. But remember, the more we appreciate it, the more responsible we must be in ensuring its sustainability. That's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed uncovering the unknown facts about maracujá juice with us. If you found this video informative and delightful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, comment below if you have any unique experiences with maracujá or any other exotic fruits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting adventures. Stay juicy. Until then, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the world of unknowns.